Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here. You're all appreciated. Today I'll be cooking fish. I want to cook brown stew. I am cooking brown stew, fish, and white rice. But before cooking the fish, we have to clean it up. And these are the seasons that I'll be using: the cayenne pepper, the crushed pepper, the black pepper, the all-purpose seasoning, and salt. While cleaning the fish, I have to make sure there is no scale on the fish. This fish was gutted and scaled from the seaside. I am going to launch two cuts on both sides. We call them coring both sides, so we can plug some black pepper and salt and pepper seed into it. But the person that cleaned the fish did a really good job. But taking them home, we have to clean them up because most times the persons that are cleaning it, they're in a hurry because they do that for a living. They scale fish for a living. And most time they also use the salt water to wash the fishes. Whichever way it goes, it's your fish. So, or it's my fish, so I have to take it home and clean it up for myself again. After washing and coring the fish, I'm gonna place it on the cutting board and allow it to drain for a few minutes. After which I will start the seasoning process. I will start with the salt. I will put salt where I made the cuts on both sides and also in the gut section and the head section of the fish. That's how I am seasoning it. And that's how I will place most of the other season. Here are two fun facts about fish. Fish are high in protein and omega 3. It has a lot of essential vitamins such as vitamin D and B2. It is also rich in minerals such as iodine and zinc. It's a good source of protein for your body, but a lot of people do not like fish because of the bones that it carries, but it can be deboned, it can be fillet. I finished salting the fish. Now I am going to add the black pepper. Now I'm not going to add too much black pepper because especially inside the gut area, I hate seeing and I hate eating a lot of black pepper. So I'm going to add a minimal amount, but you can add the black pepper how you like it, how you enjoy it. So I'm going to do the same as I did with the salt. Add it where I core the fish on both sides and into the gut area, a little up into the head section also. I have finished, added the black pepper. I am adding the cayenne pepper. No, I should be using a gloves here because the cayenne pepper, it is hot. It is so hot. I don't want it to get under my fingernails. I don't want it to soak on my skin. Sometimes when you wash your hand and you think, oh, your hand is washed and free of pepper, voila, put it on your eye, put it anywhere, and you feel that, listen me, your hands want to be washed again and again. So try and use a food glove or a food glove when dealing with peppers. Haven't liked the video as yet. What are you waiting for, guys? Please like and subscribe if you have not. Thank you. Thank you. It's a part 2 of 2. After I have finished with the cayenne pepper, I am going to go in with the crushed pepper, which contain pepper seed and some, maybe the pepper skin that has been processed. Key benefits of eating fish also involve good heart health, where omega 3 helps to lower heart or lower blood pressure, hence keeping the risk of a stroke or a heart attack at bay. Research has also shown that eating fish It's crucial in eye development. It helps vision development and functions. It has also research have also showed that bone health development, fish also help with that, with vitamin D and calcium. What I have observed, a lot of people don't like eating fish because of the bones, but as I said before, it can be filleted and you have bigger fish, which you will see in part one vlog, or maybe you have seen it already, like the big Margaret grunt. It's fleshy, it has bones, but not so much of a fine bones that you will be afraid of it. And another reason, fish is raw. So a lot of people can't deal with the rawness. But all in all, you have to know how to wash your fish. Yes, even when you wash it and cook it, it is still raw. Yes, but it is tolerable. Yes, you will tolerate it, or some people, most people can tolerate it, but not all. Some people like to cook it very hot and spicy because it tends to upset them for some reason. After eating it, maybe it's the rawness. So not everybody will like fish. Not everybody will eat fish, as we all know. But tell me where you're watching this video from in the comments. Now I'll be adding the all-purpose Maggi seasoning, and this one I added all over the body of the fish, inside and out. It gives the fish a nice flavor. And as I said, Maggi all-purpose, I don't use the Maggi fish for seasoning fish because it tends to have that fishy smell, and I don't want so much of the fish smell. I already have the natural fish, so the all-purpose works and works well for me. Now that I have added all those ingredients to the fish, I am now going to place it in this plastic container. I'm going to add a little more salt all over it and allow it to marinate for a couple hours before cooking. Let me know also in the comments if you eat parrot fish in your country or where you're watching from, because I know a lot of people do not eat parrot fish because parrot fish is said to clean the sea or the coral reefs in the sea. So some place forbid parrot fish eating. So let me know if you eat parrot fish where you are living or in your country or where you're from, whichever. Place your fish into the refrigerator where it will be kept cool while marinating. Now that I'm done, I am going to relax a bit with some word search puzzle where it helps to keep me focused and calm. The link will be placed into the description of the word search puzzle books that I use to stay focused. Having finished seasoning the fish, it's time to get cooking. So I'm gonna do brown stew. So I'm gonna go in and fry them first. So preheat your oil, chop some garlic, put it into the oil. If you have pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, you can do so. I would recommend dropping the crushed seed. It might pop and pop into your eye. You can put pimento seeds also, but it tends to pop also, so I don't bother with that. I will just go with the garlic since I have no scotch bonnet pepper. I already use black pepper, cayenne pepper, and crushed pepper, so I think that's good enough. The fishes are browning nicely, and I am using a non-stick frying pan, so I would recommend you do so. That will be better for you, less hassle. Your fish won't be mashed up, broken up. When you're ready to turn them, yes, so after frying on one side, you're gonna turn on the other side.